Now let's take a closer look at the HELIO Kids Carbon, a premium performance option within the HELIO Kids lineup. Built using Motion Composites' precision-crafted carbon fiber, this wheelchair offers one of the best strength-to-weight ratios available, along with several important clinical and practical benefits. From a clinical perspective, carbon fiber provides a lighter overall system weight, which helps reduce propulsion effort and improve energy conservation. This allows children to go further throughout their day. It also offers excellent vibration damping, contributing to a smoother ride and potentially help mitigate fatigue, discomfort, and spasticity. From a practical standpoint, the lighter frame makes the wheelchair easier for caregivers to lift, transport, and load into a vehicle, while remaining exceptionally strong and durable for pediatric users. At Motion Composites, carbon fiber isn't new to us. It's a part of our DNA. We've been designing and manufacturing carbon fiber manual wheelchairs since the very beginning, and over time we've refined exactly how it should perform in the real world. What makes our approach unique is how we engineer the material itself. The way we layer the carbon fiber and the specific resin we use are carefully selected to create an optimal balance of lightweight design, durability, and performance for each model of wheelchair. This ensures it responds efficiently with every push, stands up to daily use, and maintains its integrity over time. Overall, with carbon fiber, you benefit from an even lighter frame that enhances propulsion efficiency and energy conservation, superior vibration damping for improved comfort and ride quality, easier lifting and transport for caregivers, as well as a true lifetime warranty on the carbon fiber frame. For these reasons, carbon fiber is widely considered the highest performing material option in ultralight manual wheelchairs, and we are proud to be able to offer it on the HELIO Kids C.